Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Havells Fyber Garment Steamer, a product designed to make your ironing fast, easy, and safe. But before we start, let's understand one important thing. Many people still use a dry iron. Dry irons can burn your clothes, leave a shiny patches, and take more time. And garment steamer is something different which don't have any direct contact with your clothes, and also it has no burning and it doesn't require pressure to remove your wrinkles. And also it is perfect for your delicate fabrics like silk, cotton, and even for your nylon cloths. And this garment steamer is safe for your daily wear and for your expensive outfits. Since the garment steamer uses steam, the power behind is very important. The fiber comes with 1600 watts powerful heating system. This means stronger steam removes your wrinkle faster and has a smooth fabric finish. Because of its high power, the machine heats up extremely fast. You don't have to wait for a longer time. Turn it on and the steam is ready to use in just 35 seconds. And this is perfect for your busy mornings or last minute ironing. And also, this steamer delivers 35 grams of steam per minute. It means wrinkles soften instantly since the steam is strong. You can use it continuously for a longer period. It has an 1.3 liters of water tank, which is great for steaming multiple cloths or even a large curtains. It also comes with an anti-bend silicone tube, which means the pipe won't crack, melt, or leak the steam. And this increases the life of the product and makes your daily routine safer. And also, this steamer has 3 different steam settings, so you can adjust the power based upon your fabrics. Low steam setting for your delicate fabrics, medium steam for shirt or t-shirts, and high steam for denim, jacket, and heavy cloths. And you need not to worry about the fabric type. You could use all the different types of fabric without any hesitation. This means no fear, no tension. Just choose the level and steam confidently. And for the convenience, this steamer comes with dual hanger system, so you can hang 2 different cloths at the same time. This makes your work faster. It also has a height adjustable stand, so you can set it accordingly to your comfort, which is perfect for your quick, safe, and professional looking clothes at your home. And that's it about Fyber Garment Steamer. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.